Hello, this is Kevin. Over. Emergency! It's the pooka! He's here now! Hello? You dropped this. Oh, thanks. How do you leave an agent in suspense? What? I don't understand. I'll tell you tomorrow. Oh, it's a joke. Hey, is that my dad's watch? He was looking for that. What are you? I'm the pooka. Hey, I know that, but like, where are you from? Pookaville. Okay, but that's not a real place, is it? That's just made up. Oh. You don't know, do you? You're not real. You're not real. No, I am real. You're not real. See, I watched this video about you in an old shed that was built on a magic fairy hill, and because of that, you got out of the video. You smell like cheese. Do you understand what I'm saying? You're not real. You're a fibber. No, it's true. If I had the video, I could show you where you escaped from. I don't want to play with you anymore. No, wait, come back. I can prove it's true.